Hey honey, I'm back again with the recipes that make you want to cook, and today we're making this delicious liver stew. For the ingredients, you're going to use some liver. I use some lamb liver, but you can also use some ox liver. You can use some onion, your bell peppers, some tomatoes, thyme, and some black peppercorns. For the seasonings, I use the traditional Bry spice, green onion seasoning, some garlic, and as well as some salted butter, but you can also use unsalted butter. In a hot pan, go ahead and add your butter and oil. You're going to add all your vegetables at once, your onions, peppers, tomatoes, the garlic, and thyme, honey. I love this recipe because it is so straightforward. It doesn't need a whole lot of effort, okay? Then you're going to saute them for about 3 to 5 minutes. After sauteing, you're gonna go ahead and add your seasonings, and you want to let the seasonings cook for another 4 to 6 minutes, just so that it can absorb into the veggies and create just a beautiful sauce. And you want to do this on medium low heat so that nothing burns, but we are gradually creating that beautiful sauce. This is how it looks after about 5 minutes. We're then going to add the liver on top. What you gotta do is add the liver on top and don't mix it in. You're going to let the liver cook on one side until it's charred and beautiful, and then that is when you're going to mix it through. After mixing it through, you want to close the pot, let it simmer for about 10 minutes, depending on how well done you like your liver. Close the pot and let it do its thing for about 10 minutes. Juicy, we didn't add any water. You're going to finish off with some crushed black pepper and let it sit for another 2 to 3 minutes, and the stew is done. It's delicious, very effortless, and just beautiful. That's it for now, guys, and I hope to see you on the next one.